liked science in school. It had, even through middle school, elementary school, it had always just been my favorite subjects, science in general. Especially in high school, I really liked anatomy, so I knew I wanted to do something with medicine, and I thought bio would be a really good route for that. And I fell in love with it the second I got to campus.
So at Duquesne, I really enjoy the Bayer School and being a bio major. I think research is really accessible here, so that's kind of my main interest now. And I know that the bio program at Duquesne has a lot of great professors, so that kind of drew me into their program.
There's so many opportunities, and I think that's also part of the reason why I fell in love with Duquesne, with all the clubs, programs, and just everything I'm able to do on the bio floor, especially through research or the pre-med program or just other professional clubs as well.
Academic-wise, I'm involved in the Tri Beta Biology Honor Society here on campus. I'm also involved in the Honors College, so we have the Integrated Honors Society. I'm also involved in the Multicultural STEM group here. Branching out from this lab, we also have our super labs here, where this semester I actually get to do some more like independent research essentially. And in that lab, we're working with acid mine drainage. So we're trying to identify bacteria and try to help reduce the amount of toxins in the water.
I got to use really cool technology that we have to see fluorescently stained cells. And this semester I even got to do a cool bike lab where we were testing different respiration rates and heart rate, and just by having an exercise bike in the lab that we got to use with our peers.
Everyone's assigned a faculty mentor as a freshman here in the Bayer School, so I think having that resource since freshman year, kind of talking with my faculty mentor and talking with my research mentor in general, I think they have both really kind of helped steer me towards graduate school, but also kind of the process of graduate school, like thinking about it this summer, making sure I apply on time, and just getting everything in a row. I became aware of the Goldwater Scholarship maybe a year or two ago by my mentor, Dr. Jill Dombowski. So this award is not only a scholarship that'll start next year, but now I kind of have the title of Goldwater Scholar. I have just become a PCT, a patient care technician, in one of the local hospitals. There are so many hospitals all around us, with Mercy right next to us, and then all the ones over in Oakland, or even ones that are only 10 or 15 minutes away, which is where I will be working. So the job application process was really easy, especially when you want to go into the medical field. So I think in Pittsburgh it's really nice that everything is in walking distance. I really like being in the city, so I enjoyed our secluded little campus on the Bluff.